School Slideshow! Ah! Ooh! Ow! Ooh!
What was that?
The school.
Gotcha.
It's a guitar. School. I'm gonna do this.
Wait, how do you know this?
I don't know. I just say the first thing that comes to my mind was great authority. You are now
Second. No, give me that try. Give it a try.
Okay, let me try. You're a monkey.
She comes. I will I. School. I'm not. This underpins. That's Dick! Captain Underpants is Toy but you?
Really you?
Let's see. Underpants. Check.
Check. Oh, such a check. School.
Pretty sure I'm Captain Underpants.
School Slideshow on moments.
sidekicks.
See,
This planet is safe under my watchful
fire. No!
Wait, no.
Well, that was invigorating.
Oh!
Huzzah! Why, thank you, vehicle person.
Nah, the teacher are not going to set. Oh!
Captain Underpants, wait.
What's your sister? Are you there?
So, you're trapped in some sort of invisible
Squeeze,
box-like
squeeze.
prison. What's that? I can't hear you.
Ah, stare
I
us.
see. What do you see?
Is it okay that I'm kind of loving this?
Yes and no, but mostly yes.
School.
Fear not. I will set you free.
What's wrong
With you? Oh, that's better. I can hear you now.
It's
Sorry,
nice.
I'm so sorry. Okay, listen, let's not be pushing people though, because
Hold Let me help. You're welcome, Adam.
You know, we should probably get you back to the school before anything else.
Halt!
what?
Do you sense that?
No.
Well, of course you don't. You're not a superhero
The
like me.
artist.
Come, sidekick. Evil lurks within.
Oh, no.
Ah, school.
Where'd he go?
Where are they going?
To the sky.
These kids.
I think a guy like him would be easy to find.
Found him.
Stand down.
On
you
the
giant
mangoes.
ape monster.
Spray.
Giant ape monster? What is he doing?
Spray.
Your days of terrifying this town are over.
Mr. Krabs,
School.
Captain
Kid
Underpants,
Underpants.
you
This
can't
is
actually
fly.
Now I take to the sky.
Yeah,
like
this is
an ostrich.
raised. The school. Dude, what do you want to say? I got a great idea.
Morning.
Oh, that is a lot of buttons.
Take that. Ah, chica.
Animals. Why animals? No! No!
Oh, hi guys.
Not CBI!
Oh, you put up a good fight.
Go to the school out, not go to Ordina.
Rest assured, citizens of this marvelous metropolis, I will rid you of this menace. Any
That
moment.
moment.
No!
Ah.
Come on. Victory!
That's not the shit. I'm so rare. What's the school?
Who the heck are you?
Wow, I can't believe we found a spot.
Oh, goodness. Oh, Grandpa, you did it again.
He's a sleepwalker. Come
Oh,
on.
no. Sheriff! No. Oh, you got me.
A science teacher.
Nah, dude.
What an astounding headquarters! Stuffed full of relics, all celebrating my interplanetary exploits. Oh, this
The
takes me
school. What
We have to
happened?
turn him back into Krupp.
I know, but can we just
Can I
take a
get the
moment to acknowledge
plea?
what's happening here, please? I mean, Captain Underpants.
Are you
is bringing out
gonna
my
shot him
child.
high?
Look at the cute lizard turtle. Oh, he's so adorable. Well,
He's
you
not in it again.
Now it is time to fly again.
No.
Where am I? Ah, where are my pants?
You move now! No, outside!
That's it. Now we
It's
go
not
to
there.
our
It's
sport.
school.
To what? Why am I soaking wet? Hey!
Oh no! No, this is out of school. No. Yes.
I am Captain. What are you doing?
Oops.
What's happening? Fear not.
Oh.
No, I can do it. I am fighting. Hey!
Oh.
Okay, this is the street. Come on, we're almost there. Evening.
Oh, that's not your shoe.
We made it. I wonder what horrors lie inside.
There's probably wild dogs in there.
Probably torture implements.
Rabid rats.
Brains in jars.
Jars of plucked out eyeballs.
Bones of former students. Dog!
Why'd you scream?
I just
I
assumed
don't
it
know,
was
I'm gonna
something
go
scary,
use-
but it's actually a really nice
School.
place.
We probably shouldn't snoop around.
Yeah, definitely not.
Come on.
No. I sorry. Change. Bell scheduled. What I'm not fine out.